Welcome back to Car Insight, your go-to channel for the latest automotive updates and in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus, a name that's been a staple in commercial and passenger transport for decades, and now it's been reborn with a modern twist while staying true to its utilitarian roots. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 L300 brings a cleaner and more aerodynamic design compared to its predecessors. Mitsubishi has refined the boxy silhouette, giving it a slightly rounded front fascia that improves airflow and fuel efficiency. The signature Mitsubishi grille is now flanked by sleeker LED headlights that offer a more contemporary look without straying too far from the L300's practical identity. The large front windshield improves visibility for the driver, while the raised ride height offers better road presence and maneuverability, especially in crowded urban streets or rural routes. The sliding side doors remain intact, offering easy access for passengers and cargo alike. It's clear Mitsubishi wanted to maintain the L300's legacy of functionality while updating the style to appeal to modern tastes. Under the hood, the 2026 L300 has seen a major upgrade. Powered by a 2.4-liter Mivec turbo diesel engine, it delivers improved torque and fuel economy compared to previous models. The engine is paired with a refined 6-speed manual transmission, although an automatic variant may also be available in select markets. The power delivery is smooth and consistent, making it a reliable option for long-distance travel or heavy city traffic. Mitsubishi has also focused on improving the suspension system, offering a more comfortable ride even when the vehicle is fully loaded. The steering is light and responsive, surprising for a vehicle in this category, and the braking system feels more refined, giving the driver added confidence on various terrains. This is a workhorse, no doubt, but it drives with a level of sophistication that older L300s could only dream of. Inside the cabin, Mitsubishi keeps things simple yet functional. The dashboard features a no-nonsense layout with durable materials, meant to withstand years of heavy use. There's a small digital display that provides essential driving information, and while the infotainment system is minimal, it includes Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports to keep up with the basic needs of modern drivers. The seating configuration is customizable depending on the variant. Some models offer bench seating for maximum passenger capacity, while others prioritize cargo space. Headroom and legroom are ample, especially in the front and middle rows, and ventilation is adequate even for rear passengers. It's not luxurious, but it doesn't pretend to be. The interior of the 2026 L300 is built for utility, and it delivers exactly that. In summary, the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus is a well-rounded upgrade to a time-tested platform. It keeps the essence of what made the L300 a global success: practicality, reliability, and value, while adding enough modern touches to remain competitive in today's market. If you're in need of a dependable people mover or light-duty cargo vehicle, this new L300 deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Car Insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews.